With the roar of an engine, the squeal of a tire, the racers in Jordan are off.
They're amazing. They're just amazing. I wish I could be like them.
Why can't you?
Because I don't have driving lessons.
But the Speed Sisters do.
In the beginning, of course, as you know, I'm sure, like, they go like, what the hell, you know, she's Arab, like, why is she racing? Or, oh, she's Arab, like, she's an Arab Palestinian girl, she has to be at home getting married or you know, just taking care of the house.
The sisters are the only female racing team in the Middle East. As they rally around obstacles, the crowd seems to revel in their skills. On this day, the Speed Sisters ranking in the top 10 out of 67 drivers. But the region's politics are never far away.
When I race, I feel I'm fighting the occupation. You know, occupation is not easy to live. I can't go with my car to the beach, to Tel Aviv, to Jerusalem. So driving, racing makes me feel like freedom, passion, tough, you know. It gives me a very strong personality.
Among the competitors, men from Saudi Arabia, coming from a country where women cannot drive. Lee Powell, The Associated Press.